massive fucking tornado. That's a motherfucking tornado.
Guys, again, out here by the Kankakee Airport, you can see storm chasers on the road over here. There was, I don't know if it's still on, a tornado on the ground over there. There it is, right there. This is right here, River Road area. Everybody, get in, get downstairs if you're out here. Stay safe. These fucking people in their cars are crazy. I'm going downstairs now. Bye, guys.
There she is. Look how big. There she is on the ground. Look here. You see it? It's a freaking wedge. My first tornado is a wedge. I can't believe it. I cannot freaking believe it. My first tornado is a wedge. She's a monster.
Tornado.
You think you turn around?
Man, shit. What?
It is unbelievable.
There's the RFD cut right there where the turquoise is. See if we go. There it is, right there. Tornado down. There it goes. Oh boy. There's a relatively big cone tornado right there. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Yeah, there it is.
Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Look at the hail hitting the river.
Oh. Where's it going, babe?
Straight to Aroma Park.
Well, call your mom. We're looking at a tornado. This is the River Road area of Kankakee, Illinois.
A monster tornado on the ground in front of us. A huge tornado is on the ground. Watch these cars. Oh, look at the rain curtains. You can see it. Careful. Yep. See if we can't squeeze through these guys. We should be able to. All these damn chasers, dude. I know. God, taking off the damn road, dude. All right, right here's where we need to stop, I think. No, look, there's a left edge. We're good. Watch out for, slow down, slow down. Right here, call it right here. Next, I think we need to call it right here. I think we're okay here. Of course, low contrast. Watch out for vortices. Yeah, no, we're good. I'm gonna go right up past these trees. All right. Low visibility, rain wrap, big wedge tornado. Look at the horizontal rain. Oh, look at that. Yes, yes. Look at the back edge coming up off There's the back edge of it. Listen to the roar. Do you hear the roar? That's RFD coming through. Yep. The thunder and the roar, dude. It's incredible. Listen. You hear it? Yeah. It's so hard to see what's going on in there. I got debris. Something, trees. All right, let's go. Go for it, go for it, go for it. Carefully. Dude, feel all that warm air flying into it. We're not gonna have an east option. We're gonna be fucked. We gotta get to this town and help. I agree with you. Yeah, this is bad, dude. This is very, very, very bad. Look at the motion on the back edge of it. Violent tornado, wedge tornado. We're in Illinois. It's so big you can't even see it there. Oh my good God. Watch that car stop. Watch that car stop. It's RFD! motion on the back end of it, man. Hail coming down. Oh shit, yeah. We're good. Make sure my camera's right there. Let's just roll it. Yeah. Shit, that's a lot of hail. Big hail coming down. Big hailstones. It's just wrapping around the back edge of the sail. Look at the damage. We're not getting around here. We're gonna have to find another way. Look at the size of the hailstones. Are those hailstones? Yes. Look at the size of the hail. We're gonna lose a windshield. I'm closing this top. Look at the motion on the back edge of this thing, dude. Oh, the hail. Power flash. Watch damage. Watch damage. Oh, look, you can see the ledge in there. Are those houses destroyed? Bro, I think we can go right here. Can we go right here? Yeah, the homes look fine too. Look at the damage in front of us. Oh yeah. Take a right. Yep. No, we're good. We're on the backside. Please be careful. Oh, look at the stop sign. Look at the stop sign going. Yep. Holy crap, that is a huge tornado. Look at the motion. Look, dude, we're in front of everybody, bro. We're getting these shots. Look at the edge, dude. Yeah, be careful. Homes are okay. Big hail. This is chaos. This is bad. We're gonna have to help with some power lines. Power lines down. Okay. That is a huge tornado. All right, what do we do? We don't do anything. There's damage.
We're breaking in again one more time for a tornado warning. This one is in Mike.
I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead end highway.
National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
Riding that storm run through my veins like a shot down tailspin airplane.
You can do it if anything and send them to me.
Yeah, I got it.
It's right there though.
Start out with a positive word.
Go lock your back, babe.
On that phone, on that
Babe,
text,
the
or
back's
that email,
wide open.
I'm okay with it because my spirit is already set.
Oh.
So just adjust that, just in case you want to find a new way to start your day off and shake up
Philip, that's
negative
so
energy.
close.
All right, well, let's go. Let's get with it. Let's fly.
Well, it's going through Kankakee, it looks like.
Oh no, the city. Holy fuck, that's huge.
Oh, that's big.
It is.
That's a big. That's one of the biggest tornado we ever seen.
I know.
I'm not scared. It's not coming for us.
No, we got lucky.
It was coming, but then it went.
It's just crossing right in front of us.
I barely could see it. Right?
Well, if you look at my camera, the camera will show it better. Can you see it now in my phone?
No, Mom, I could see
Still
it.
see it?
See it, but it.
God damn. Fuck. Big tornado down by Kankakee, Illinois. Big tornado there. There are people everywhere. Shit. There's not. You can hear that thing roaring. What is she gonna do? You can see it rotating hard. That is a big tornado. Sucking everything into it. Yeah, you can see that. Violently. Sorry, police. Oh, shit. It's good, but it's not good. Just crossed Highway 57 near Kankakee. There's a report that is dropping baseball-sized hail as well. This person behind me, I don't think they could get any closer. That's the tornado. Man, this thing's huge. Totally rain wrapped. Damn it.
hear that thing roaring. Oh, cop coming up behind us. We're gonna block off the road. Get the hell out of his way here.
video on.
It's a tornado right there.
I don't have any use my phone.
Right there, see it?
Wait, to the right or left?
Earthling downdraft coming in over here.
People go!
Alex, here, take your camera back, please. Listen, listen, listen.
You see it?
Yep. There's a large tornado on the ground. You got it on video?
Yeah.
Large tornado.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Violent tornado. You see the whole side base of it right there.